All right, good morning guys. It is New Year's Eve and I haven't posted a video lately, but we are catching you guys up on some new mods that I got for the car. Also what's been going on in my life and what is coming in the new year. First you gotta see the new children. So children 1 and children 2. Hey, scoot back. That one is Enzo. This one is Ivy. This one was going to be named Portia, but we decided that calling a cat Portia all the time was going to be very annoying. So, yep. But if you haven't realized what we're going to be talking about today, we're going to be talking about the exhaust tips that I just picked up. Now, some of you may ask, well, you had the carbon fiber in performance tips or in performance style tips, and why did you switch away from them? Well, this is the reason why. I've been in the process of trying to refinish them. The refinishing process has been a pain. As you can see here, it doesn't want to level properly, so I keep on sanding and redoing it, and it's just taking a very long time, and I'm tired of the no-tip exhaust look. So I noticed that Mashimarho was posting pictures of some exhaust tips, and I thought they looked pretty cool, so I was wondering how much they may cost, and then he hooked it up a little bit, so he sent some over, and then I'm gonna show you guys now. All right, as I continue showing you these, Enzo, do not mess with my tips. We are going to move you. Boop. Alright, so that's just to show you guys some clips of what it looks like, but we're going to turn this camera around. We're going to talk about these a little bit. So, as you notice, they look like the ARM Performance or ARM Motorsport tips, and if you guys have ever purchased those, you know it's like one hex on the bottom that screws into the exhaust tip itself, and what will happen is it's sort of like not completely shut or closed off. So these have these fasteners like the in performance ones, the aftermarket ones that you get. So these will close it off on the back end and make it look flush. But I don't know if you guys noticed this either. It has the M emblem, which most aftermarket tips recently have had, but I haven't seen it on this design yet. So I've seen it on the carbon fiber ones, but not the flat brushed aluminum or stainless steel, whatever. And these are also black chrome, which I did not know were a thing. I think Mashimarho just came out with these, and it's the first I've seen in this color and this setup. And when I purchased them, I thought they were going to be more chrome or silver, but I actually really like this color. So let's put them on and see how they look on the car. All right, so this is what it's gonna look like before. And of course, I'll give you a quick little install. It's gonna be a 14. What we're gonna do, we're going to put it on and hope to God it fits. Let's do some of this beforehand. So we got one side done. The only downside is, like, you can see the tips just like the other ones. The in performance ones sort of cover that up, but they look absolutely amazing. I mean, that color is just sick. The tips are big, they fit well, and just want to let you guys know that I have the in performance exhaust, so the tips are slightly smaller, and most of the aftermarket ones don't fit because they fit the comp and the regular exhaust, and the these little tips in here are actually smaller. So if you watch my previous video, you have seen me do the little heat tape trick to get them to fit. If you want these to fit a little bit more snug, you might want to do it that way, but the clamps in the back did tighten down all the way. I was able to get them even and centered, and I think they look absolutely fantastic. think the tips look absolutely amazing. Great affordable price from Mashimarho. I believe retail is $249.99 for, $249.99 for the tips. And hit him up on Instagram or his website to purchase these. I haven't seen them on the website yet, so you might have to directly DM him in Insta, which is right here. So definitely go get some tips. They look great. So by my next video, it'll probably be next year. So happy New Year's Eve to everybody. Happy New Year's. I'll catch you later.